All right, so we're working on our v-berth cushions, as you can see, on our 87 Marinette 32. This is what came out of there, and what we're gonna do is we bought this off of Amazon. It's a 4-inch thick memory foam with gel in this mattress, and it's 4 inches, and the old mattress is 4 inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace this out with a permanent marker, and we'll cut that, and then we'll be able to take the zipper that's on the side and unzip it and put in a nice little new foam mattress. The one that's in there is that old, oh, it's that yellowish, orangish old stuff that they used to use years ago. So we're gonna update this, and the little buttons there, we're gonna have to snip those and take those out because those go all the way through. And that'll be the only thing that's going to be missing off of that is the buttons themselves. But we're going to get a nice, fresh mattress. And like I said, it's going to be a full size, 4-inch thick, and you have to get 2 of them. That way you can do both sides. It's going to be the port side, and we'll do the starboard side the same way. And be nice and soft and nice and fresh. All right, so what we got is we got our cushions here. As you can see, I went ahead and outlined where the old cushion laid on top of this. I'm just using a fillet knife. Whatever knife you use, just make sure it probably doesn't have any serrated edge on it, or some teeth on it. Just make sure it's nice and smooth. That way you get a nice finish on it. We're just gonna push it straight down and just put a little angle on it, and stay right on that edge, and just make sure you keep your knife straight up and down. Then that way you get a nice smooth edge all the way through to the bottom. So it's that simple. We'll get this one here cut out and we'll be good to go. So just got done cutting that out, and let's see if we can pull this thing away here. See what it looks like. That's it. Actually, it just turned out really well. Got a couple little pieces like this that you just be able to pull off, but nice and smooth. Just towards the bottom where your knife doesn't go all the way through, and if you're cutting it like on carpet, don't cut your own carpet. You have to be a little careful, but anyhow, that's good. What's nice about this mattress too is it's got these holes, and they go all the way through. There's hundreds of them on here, and probably help with some ventilation as well as you're snoozing, and should help out. So, trying to make some curtains for the Marinette, and never sewed my entire life, so we went out to a store today, bought a sewing machine, and it took me about 20 minutes just to figure out how to thread the needle through.
An hour,
okay,
not 20
an hour.
minutes.
Let's go for an hour and a half, probably. I don't know. Anyhow, we're getting it figured out and putting some curtains together. So, wish us luck. And anyhow, just tint the windows. It might be easier. So, and that way we don't have any curtains that's actually divided. Everything is going to be one sheet all the way down, or one curtain, I should say. That way you don't have any air gaps for privacy, and hopefully they'll turn out good. So anyhow, another project. If you've never sewed before, just do what I did. Just try to figure it out, and you'll stick something together. All right, everybody, so we've got one section done, and we have got it all the way done. So if you own a Marinette, you know that at the top, this is what slides in your curtain rail. It's pretty much a custom curtain slider, holder, whatever you want to call it. So what we did was the old curtain, we saved this. We cut the very top of the old curtain off, and then we took our new curtains that we have here, and we sewed it directly through. You're going to sew through these little nylon, little plastic holders. We just have a El Cheapo Singer sewing machine, and it did okay. And then what we did is we went ahead and sold, these are individual panels here, And what we did was it's 4 panels per side on the kitchen, the galley, and the dinette. And we sewed a panel together, and we did that 4 times going down through here. So that way you have a seamless curtain. And we got it all done. So we've got several more to go. But anyhow, so far it's working out really well. It's that easy. Anybody can do it. Just gotta try. Hey everybody, thought I'd bring you along and give you a little tour of the boat. It's gonna be the aft deck right here. Got a barbecue grill, a couple of nice chairs, and it's gonna be the fly bridge up there. Let's take you on inside. We've already started doing a little, well, let's just say remodeling. We've got the curtains hung up that we made the other night, and we actually have already changed out the flooring in the salon area. So this is the vinyl sheet flooring that we got. It's the best quality that the store that we bought it at had. It's got a really nice thick pad on it, and as you can see, I've got a line going right through here, and there's a line going right through here. I've got 3 hatch covers. I got 1, 2, and 3 back over here. I've got this little love seat, got it online, along with a little extra storage here, which is nice too. This actually does flip up, so we got some extra little blankets and pillows in there, which is a nice little footstool. So these are the curtains right here, everybody. This is what me and Veronica worked on the other night. We actually finished up at 2 a.m., believe it or not. We did all of the boat. We did the galley area, the salon area, and also got the back curtains right here done. So turned out really, really good. We're really pleased with them. Basically, we took, wait, 1, 2, there's 3 different curtains here, and we sewed them down the middle, and then we cut the, let this thing focus up. We cut the strip, and I'm going to show you up underneath here. That right there is the old top of the curtain right there, and we just sewed the new curtain onto it. Then that way we can still keep our same window track for the curtain. Those little nylon inserts that slide up and down. So this is it, and we thought it turned out really good. I'm not a professional. I just do everything for myself, but it actually turned out really good, I think. And I put a nice new modern update on it, and just really changed things up in there. Remember the old factory couch that sat right there? We actually took that out, and even though it had some storage underneath, it was a you could make it into a berth area or bed, but we decided just to go ahead and do an upgrade just for a touch of modernness, and also just a little bit more comfy as well. So so anyhow, we have taken off the carpet on the steps. We're going to be redoing those, and all this down here is going to be done the same material, vinyl sheet flooring. All the salon cushions we took home, scrubbed them dudes down really well, and washed them, rinsed them out good, and make sure you put a fan on there for about a day, and it'll get them nice and dry. This table is going to get redone, and we're going to be using some epoxy on that table, and we're hoping it's going to turn out really well. We're going to do the countertop in the bathroom as well, in the head on the boat. And gonna be doing this countertop as well here in the galley. So got some work to do, but I'll tell you what, it's turning out really good so far. Just really nice, makes it real nice and comfortable, and can't wait to do the rest of the boat. So it's gonna be good. So thought I'd give you a little update, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And then we're gonna take you along on the full remodel. So stay tuned. God bless. We'll see y'all soon.